Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make Mii Making's Mii. Mii Making is another YouTuber. This is on the Switch though, not on the Wii. I want to keep this face. You want these, you just want those, so you want freckles and none of those. You want to make him have yellow skin. You want this hair, these, this colour, because I'm so used to saying these positions when it comes to stuff. Pause the video anytime you need to. Lots of it says, lots of them have positions. These eyebrows and these positions. I'll keep them black, so that's going to be his eyes. And you want. So this is the Mii. We don't know. I don't think he's ever done a face reveal, but this is Mii's. This is his YouTuber Mii. You want these eyes. You're going to hide the eyes, so you want these positions. I'll just keep them black, but I'm not really sure if it matters, because it might not change. I won't bother looking. Just keep it black anyway. You don't need to change. And this nose, and just keep these positions. So it doesn't matter. You just leave the nose how it is. And you want this mouth and these positions. And it's black mouth, so it doesn't matter what colour you change it to, because it'll stay black. No facial hair. No moles. Gentle male. Roughly about around those positions. And you want these glasses and these positions. And these glasses. Favourite colour orange, or friends online. Then type in Mii Making. So Mii, so M-I-I, and then space, and then Making, M-A-K-I-N-G. You should know that, but just in case you're young and you can't really read. So there you go. You've made Mii Making's Mii.